Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use function keys on Keychron V1. And to do this, first we'll need to click and hold Fn button right here. So when we click and hold it, we can select, or actually also click on each F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12 buttons as well. So for example, F1, F2 changes the brightness of your display, and while holding Fn we can click on F1 to decrease it and F2 to increase it. And let me show you that it works in just a second. So now I'm gonna press the function and F1. So it decreases the brightness, and with F2 it increases it. You can also click on F3 to see all of the apps open on your Windows, F4 to open a file explorer. You can also switch the brightness of the RGB lights on your keyboard with this button right there. And here's a media control, so you can play previous track, play or stop music, or play the next track, and also mute all of the sounds, unmute them as well, or change the volume with F11 and F12. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.